Hi guys and welcome back to AM Crypto Channel, your trusted source for your cryptocurrency updates. So here I had told you guys 2 days ago that Bitcoin is trading here in this symmetrical triangle, and if we get a breakout then we potentially go into the upside, but here is now imminent danger for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, and that is something that I want to talk about today. If you think that is interesting, then please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get here straight into the content. So we had here the symmetrical triangle where Bitcoin was bouncing up and down and respecting the downward sloping resistance line and the upward sloping support. And then we got a breakout exactly as I predicted, but I also told you guys with this breakout, be careful. Don't rush too quick into a trade position here and watch the volume. So, and only if we get a volume supported breakout to the upside, then enter a trade. So, and what happened was we didn't get the volume supported breakout to the upside. We got a fake out exactly as I predicted it. So, but now it looks like here we just got another fake out. So, and that is something that we have seen in the past already multiple times, that Bitcoin fakes out to the upside, fakes out to the downside, and then actually breaks out for good to the upside. So that is something that I'm looking right now at. So if we get a rejection again when we're breaking here above the symmetrical triangle, something like this, then we will go down for good. That is for sure, because then we form here somewhat of an M pattern. So if we break here now to the upside, however, then we have here also a distorted W pattern on the 4-hourly chart, because we have here a lower low, here we have a higher low. So, and yeah, that would be then, let's see if we squeeze it together a little bit. Yeah, so if we go something like here, so then you can say that could be a W formation. So, and if we treat it like this, then the technical target $32,160 approximately. And don't forget that the technical target of the symmetrical triangle, if we get the breakout to the upside, is around $35,000. Here, let me show it to you again. $35,300 approximately, the technical target for the symmetrical triangle if we break here to the upside. So we have to be cautious with the symmetrical triangle here, because we are coming out of a downtrend, and when we come out of a downtrend and forming then a symmetrical triangle, it is by textbook definition a bearish continuation pattern. So it should actually continue to break here lower. So, but like I said, this looks like a potential fake out, and we have to watch this here in the next coming hours, what's happening with this exactly. Also, when we're looking here on the stochastic RSI, we see that the whole move here to the downside was a potential fake out, because the stochastic RSI is showing strength here to want to move here to the upside, to continuously to move here to the upside. With that bounce that we got here out of oversold conditions yesterday. And yeah, so we only have to monitor this. So where would I enter a trade right now if I would be entering a position? So I would enter a position only if I want to be 100% sure and to play it safe above $30,500. That's where I would enter a long position. So, and if you want to enter a long position and trade this with me, guys, then go to BitGet. There you get right now the highest bonus. If you sign up with my specific link here, there you get $4,163 in free bonuses and 15% discount on the trading fees. Or you go to Bybit, there you still get $4,050 plus zero maker fees, also only with the link here in the description of the video, guys. So when we're looking here on the weekly chart on the higher time frame, and we look at the VPVR, so then you can see that on the weekly chart, the point of control here, the blue line, is at $36,000 approximately. So on the macro structure, the bulls have to push the price back above $36,000 to gain control on yeah, the macro time frame here. So, but we have here also the first signs that we might turn around here in the next coming days, because the stochastic RSI is flatlining on the weekly chart, which is a good sign and normally the precursor for a bigger bounce back to the upside. So, and if you remember, I told you, if we can hold the $28,800 level, this specific line here from where we bounced multiple times back to the upside, then we can expect also a further upwards movement here in the immediate short term over the next couple of days and the next, let's say, 10 to 14 days. There we can expect a bigger bounce here to the upside if we can hold above this crucial key support area. And for now, it doesn't look all too bad that we can hold this level. So, but obviously the week has just begun, so we have to wait a little bit. But if we stay next week with the next weekly close still above this, I expect definitely here a pinch to the upside on a stochastic RSI, and that will then also lead to a bigger move here in the Bitcoin price action. So, and if you want to make money in the meantime, guys, then don't forget that you can still join my paid signals group. Here with that specific link there, you get directly in contact with my staff. They will give you all the infos that you need. We are crushing it there really every day. We made in the last couple, since the beginning of this month, we made over 1,000% in this group. Just ask for the proof. When you contact my staff, they will show it to you, and it's just amazing there. So we have a lovely community. Definitely check this out, guys. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.